guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be seeing what people offer for my neon frost furry in this rich adopt me server. So this is not a super rich adopt me server, but it's a pretty good one. I see an owl and I see a crow and I see a few good things. So let's go ahead. Oh, we got a fresh trade. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's offer for the owl. Or let's offer for the spirit, why not? Why is the person moving so much? Okay, they went to a nursery. I want to offer for the owl, but I hope that person is not AFK. Wait, why? This is so laggy, I cannot even send trade requests. Oh my god, not again. I hate it when this happens, so I think I would have to reset my character. Give me a second, guys, and just reset. Sometimes it happens that whenever you join rich servers, it's super laggy, so you cannot do anything. Please don't be glitching again. Oh my. Okay, it did not glitch. Hopefully now I can send trade requests. There's also somebody trading the, what do you call it? A mega dragon and an albino monkey. Ooh, I see a neon unicorn. That's my friend. Yeah, right. Okay, I'm gonna offer I'm gonna offer 3 T-Rexes. They are going, so I mean I could offer that. Let me accept. She wanna do it? Okay, she wants me to add. What does she want me to add? What do add? A griffin? I mean, yeah, that's a good trade. That's a really good trade for her, because T-Rexes are going, and I'm 10,000 times sure that they're getting worth more than Aussie eggs, because Aussie eggs stayed in the game for 8 months and they are they are staying in game for 6 months. Yeah. Mega dragon. I want to make a mega unicorn. Oh, the person with the parrot is back. I want to offer. Trade me. Are you kidding me? The shields are off. Let me just take out money on Furry. Please, somebody say please right pet. Please, scammer, scam me for right pet. What? I'm confused. Do they want a right pet? Huh? I'm very confused. What does this person want? Anyone kitsunes? I'm sorry, no. I don't like kitsunes. They're very... I don't know. I just don't like them. Let's trade the person with the owl. I don't know. Are there trades off or something? What happened? Guys, do you see this? Let me show it to you. I just got straight. Never mind. I'm sorry. I don't like Robloxes. Can't you see the... Oh, not again. The person with the mega dragon, where did they go? Cannot find them now. Yeah. This like skin type thing. Let me show it to you guys. This is 40,000 adopt me bucks, and that is very expensive. Person is wearing that. I'm surprised. Right potion? I'm sorry, I'm not looking for right potions. This person is rich. Like 40,000 adopt me bucks is not. Okay, we have a scammer in this server. They are saying that ABC, if you want your pet, no name, not a scam. It is a scam. Guys, don't fall for these. Me, I do have. Somebody's saying mine. I'm gonna say me. I do have a golden penguin. Let me just trade them. Golden penguin. What's their offer? Ooh, red potion. No. I'm gonna say, can you add a pet? Because I'm not looking for red potions. Okay, so they're just like, no, sorry. I don't want to ride push. Somebody has a mega cow. Oh my god, oh my god. How do you do that? Where is that person going? This is so laggy, guys. Oh. Okay, I don't know where am I going, to be honest. I see a crow. How about we offer for that? Is that a mega chicken? Wow, mega chicken. I have a friend. She loves chickens. She traded her neon unicorn, ladybugs, and I don't know what, but she got a neon chicken and she overpaid so much for it. The person with the parrot trades are off, so I'm gonna like, can I offer for parrot? Cause I really want a parrot. Parrots are cute, I think. I don't want to get Sunay. Is the person already in a trade or what? I'm confused. Can I offer for parrot? I really want a parrot. Okay, they're all in your trade. A diamond ladybug, a frost fury. Okay, never mind. I thought they were going to like add 4 frost furies and a diamond ladybug. Yeah, I thought of that. Oh, we got another trade. Guys, yesterday I was in a server with a neon shadow dragon. Like a neon shadow dragon. Oh my god, a flat parrot. Oh my god. Are they gonna do the trade? I'll do the trade. They declined. I'm sad. Let's offer for the crow. Actually, I think I'm going to add for the parrot. I'll add a neon unicorn. And if they do it, I'll add. I'm going to say I'll add. I cannot even trade that person. They already trade. Oh my god. I'll just spam them with trade requests. I really need a parrot, guys. If I get a parrot, I'll trade it for a what do you call it? A frost dragon or something like that. I really want a parrot. I'm just gonna come on, seriously, at least let me add. I hate when people do that, like you're adding and then they just stick it. Did a person use the tombstone? How is this? What? This owl is alone. It might be a glitch, yes. Definitely that. Oh, a blue dog. We can offer for that. Blue dog. I know what are they worth. So yeah. Okay. She's already in a trade. Okay. No, sorry, I can't believe I just put that. I wanted to put my golden dragon. Okay, she declined. I don't know what blue dogs are worth. Some people are always like they're worth neon legendaries, and I think they're worth a good legendary, like an out of game one. I don't want to do the trade. I need a T-Rex. Also, guys, one more thing I would like to do is I need one more T-Rex to make a neon or a dodo bird will also do. I could trade that for T-Rex. Does anyone have a T-Rex or dodo bird? Does anyone have a T-Rex or dodo? If you have a T-Rex or dodo, please trade me. Please, anyone trade me? Oh my god, this server is so laggy. This is annoying me. Does anyone have a... Oh, I got a trade request. Maybe they have a dodo or T-Rex. Okay, sorry. Does anyone have a T-Rex or dodo? I really need one. I want to make a neon and... What is that? Okay, the mega shadow. I can't believe I just said shadow. Okay, the mega dragon person is in there. Somebody else has a... Okay, let's see. Oh, she has a T-Rex. This, this, Metalox. What else can I add? Ladybug. I'm adding. Okay, please don't decline before I add. And I could add. What do I add? I don't know what to add. Why do I? Did she declined? Seriously, let me add. Oh, now what? The server is getting laggy and laggy. Okay, somebody said I have challenged. I trade Kitsune and Lunar Car and Ladybug. Oh, somebody has a unicorn. What do you offer? I don't know what to offer. Oh, my golden penguin. We can offer that. I'm going to hit accept. Oh no, they declined. Guys, my what do you call? Oh, we got another trade. Oh, okay. I think they would do my golden penguin trade. I'm not giving them a neon frosted for a normal unicorn. I'm sorry, no. I saw a person with a dodo bird. Why are they adding? She went. Where did she go? I cannot see her now. Okay, I cannot find the girl. Oh, I see a Dalmatian dog. Ooh, neon turtle, neon turtle. Let's offer for that. I'll offer my neon unicorn. Why not? Okay. Oh, somebody said Happy Ramzan, everyone. I think they're also Muslim. Thank you. Okay, why this server is getting laggy? This person declined my trade request. Somebody's trading a golden egg. Oh my god. Neon turtles are cool, but I just don't like them how they look at in the morning. They look very cool in the night. And yeah. Okay, I see a dodo bird. Is that her dodo? No. It's not her dodo. Somebody traded me now. I need a rat. Who has a dodo bird? Oh, she's the girl with the dodo bird. No, I don't want to. Trade me. And can I offer for dodo? I want to offer for the dodo bird, guys. I just need one. I've been trying to get one for like the past 2 days. We got a trade request. Hopefully she puts up the dodo. Oh, I don't need that. I need a dodo bird. Ooh, neon kangaroo, neon kangaroo. Let's offer. Neon kangaroo. Maybe they will do it. I don't know. Let's hit accept. Which one is older? I think the kangaroos are older. That's why they're worth it more. I'm not sure which one is worth more. Okay. The person is just like, no, thank you. Okay, fine. It's super laggy, so I cannot. Ooh, I found a person with the dodo bird again. Right, Griffin. Metalox. And I could add a ladybug. Please do the trade. I really need one. Please, please, please. Oh, they declined. I'm not even getting one trade. Okay, we got another trade from the person we haven't traded before. Let's see. Sorry. I know why peacocks are kind of overrated, if I'll be honest. Okay. That's the same person with the... Oh, see a unicorn. Whose unicorn is this? Okay. This is the girl with the unicorn. Let me trade her. Okay, yeah. Why did I put my neon frost fairy? Should I? No, sorry. I meant my golden penguin only. The person with the owl is back. I want to offer. Hurry up. Is this trade going to go through? I don't think so. Please trade me. This game is so laggy. Oh my god. I can't believe how laggy it is. Guys, everyone is on top of the person with the owl. And that is not good. Okay, the person... Some type of glitch happened, so like I cannot see the person. I don't know what's happening. ABC, if you have a right pet, I can borrow. Scammer. Are there so many scammers in this server, guys? Where's my griffin? I cannot find it. Why did I put up fossil egg? No. Oh, I put up things that I don't want to put up. I'm gonna put up a ladybug and say, I'm gonna say Dodo only. Oh, they declined. Why did they add a right potion? I don't want a right potion. So guys, I think this is it for my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell. Until then, bye.